show that 1 plus iota raised to power iota is equal to this. As we know that we can write 1 plus iota raised to power iota is equal to e raised to power log of 1 plus iota raised to power iota. By using the law of logarithm, we will write this in this form, which is given the name of hysteric. After using log z is equal to natural log of z plus iota argument of z, we will get argument of z as only pi by 4, but in the question it is given that n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on. So we will use the 2n pi, or we can also use minus 2n pi, because there is no difference by using 2n pi or minus 2n pi due to the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Through this we will get log of 1 plus iota is equal to natural log of under root 2 plus iota pi by 4 plus 2 and pi. After multiplying by iota, we will get iota natural log of under 2 plus iota square, which is equal to minus 1. Through this we will get 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus natural log of under 2 iota. So iota log 1 plus iota is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 natural log of 2 into iota. Putting the values in equation steric, we will get 1 plus iota raised to power iota is equal to e raised to power minus pi by 4 plus 2n pi plus natural log of 2 divided between 2 iota. Base same powers add, we will use this rule and we will get 1 plus iota raised to power iota is equal to e raised to power minus pi by 4 plus 2n pi into e raised to power iota log of 2 divided by 2.